Here is your video about your assignments for December 7th through 11th for advanced math or accelerated math. Here we go. There is a new folder in Schoology called Unit 4 Linear Equations. And right now there's 4 things in there. Not all of them are complete quite yet. They will be for sure by tomorrow, hopefully later today. First of all, 4-quadrant graph paper. You are going to need this quite often. This is a graphing unit. I would have you be doing it on graph paper at school, but we're going to put it into Notability. So you're going to be using this quite a bit. Here is the video that you should be watching right now. This should be done before you come to your scheduled Google Meet this week. So here is number 3. This is our lesson for today. So there's a video attached. Then you're going to put that 4-quadrant graph paper into Notability. And there is also 4.1 exercises attached. On that, you're going to graph 5 through 16. Just those 12 problems. You're going to graph them in Notability. Then just leave it. You don't have to submit it. Then on Thursday, I will post the answers to the graphing that you will see. The last thing in here is lesson 4.2, which is slope of the line. This will be finished either Monday late afternoon or Tuesday morning, one of the two. That will be finished at that time. I'm having some technical difficulty with the lesson, so I'm going to try and get that finished up today and get it in there. So again, look for the new folder. You have graph paper that you're going to be using quite a bit. You've got this video and then the lesson that is finished, and the other one will be done very soon. So, question of the week. Here it is. Really simple. Have you finished your inequalities unit? This is what I want to know. You had to have 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4 check-ins done. 6 out of 6 on all of them. Then there's assessment number 1 and number 2, and then there's a reflection. If you are not finished, you need to be working on that as well. Again, if there's any questions, please let me know. Have a great week.